What's up, my people? My name is the Pipsologist. So today we are going to look at how to load a trading bot on the Delio platform. Now let's load the binary.com platform. Actually, I usually auto-save my details, my login details, but I think I'll have to input manually. So let's continue. Well, and if you don't have a binary trading platform, you may check on the binary.com website and create your forex trading account, whereby you may use your virtual account or a real account for the forex, or you may create a trading platform for synthetics. You may have a synthetics platform. It allows you to trade the volatility indices, like the V100, the V10-1S, V75, V75-1S, those. So on it, let's log in to my binary trading platform. Again, if you don't have a trading platform, you may use binary.com. Actually, the binary trader is a suitable one for beginners and also for the experts, because it gives you the 1 to 1000 leverage. 1 to 1000 leverage. That's right. Others may give you 1 to 500, like the FBS broker has a leverage rate of 1 to 500, but binary.com has 1 to 1000, which means if you're trading $10, you have the chance of multiplying your $10 by 1000. That's one benefit of the binary trading platform. And if you're in Kenya, binary.com allows you to deposit and to withdraw your money through M-Pesa and other M-Pesa payment affiliates. So let's get back to trading with a bot on binary.com. Well, how do you load your bot? This is how you do it. After logging into your binary.com account, you go to the trade tab. There is the trade tab. Choose binary bot. Right there, the binary bot. Scroll down to begin building a new bot. Begin building a new bot. The net is slow here. Well, I'm actually thinking of changing the provider. Well, I live at a very hilly place. Should I call it mountainous now? Haven't reached there. It's very hilly. So I'm actually at Muranga town in Kenya. If you know that place, it's very hilly. And here we have a problem with internet connection. Well, I'm not a physician, so nor am I nor am I a technology expert, so I don't understand what's with the range of my Wi-Fi, but I think it's stable enough to get us through trading using a bot on the binary.com platform. Remember again, this is your guy, the Forex and Synthetics trader, the Pipsologist. So let's continue. After opening the binary.com trading bot tab, so here we are. Well, now This is how your bot looks like. You may customize it. It has several affordances. It has the advanced level whereby you can input your list, variable, functions, loop, the binary trade definition, before purchase, during purchase, tick analysis, indicators and tools. But as for me, I have already made bot that we are going to showcase right here. Well, to load my bot, I have saved it on my desktop, so I will need to go to the file area. Load new bot, this one right there. Load new blocks, click there. Then load on my computer. I have saved mine on the desktop part. Okay, my bot is Monster Defer bot. I have found this bot to have very high winning rates and very low losing rates. So right there, it's loaded. This is how the bot looks like. You can drag it however you want to see all its elements right there. Now let me bring the camera closer. Scroll upwards. Well, this bot is customizable. You may choose the market type the market type you want to trade, whether you want to trade forex, stock indices, synthetic indices, or commodities. Well, for today we choose synthetic indices, or let's choose forex. Of course, we trade with them major and minor pairs, but let's choose the major pairs. And then you may choose one pair to trade on your CR account. Let's take USD card. By the way, if you have noticed, this week USD card has been selling like crazy, man. It's been dropping. Okay, we don't need to change the trade type. It's up or down. Well, but it has several options. Stay in, on goes out, ends in, out, touch, no touch, up, down, equals. As for me, I would use the up, down. That means the buy and sell. Well, the contract type, it's both. Of course, the market buys and sells, so you can stick to just buy or just sell. Well, then this bot doesn't have many elements, but it is compatible with all pairs in both forex and synthetics. Okay, so to trade, you may customize the bot to double the martingale equation based on the size of your account. Where since I'm trading in the virtual account, I have a virtual account. It's well loaded. I may use the 0.002 stake percentage, but if you're using anything between $10 and around $100, you may use the lowest stake percentage, whereby you can customize the stake percentage to maybe 0.001 right there. But since the virtual account is well loaded, we use the stake percentage as 0.002. That's the standard for the bot. Another thing, the martingale factor. This bot uses the 11 martingale factor. Okay, the first stake, it's at 1.06 US dollars, but I won't say like 1.06 US dollars as the standard first stake, because as for now we are trading the USD and Canadian dollar. But if you trade in the, let's say you have loaded your synthetic indices and you want to trade it using the bot, the first tick will be 1.06. It doesn't have necessarily to be in dollars. Okay, that's just the standard first tick for the bot. Well, another thing you have to change, or let's say customize, is the duration. The standard duration for the bot is 1, but I have realized but it doesn't take many trades of the 1 minute duration. At some point it will be specific that use above 5 minutes duration. So before you start trading with the bot, I want you to know a few things about applying the bot. Now, applying the bot will require you to have access to your trading account, and you get that access right here, the login tab right there on the far right corner. Login. Let's log in. Again, it requires you to log in again so that you can access your account. Okay, remember, while trading with the Binary.com bot, for this case we are using the Monster bot, you need to transfer your capital to the CR account. The CR account, that's like the main account, the Binary.com main account, that enables you to transfer your capital to either the synthetic indices account or the forex account. Okay, let's continue logging into my account so that I can show you how the bot works. Yeah, well, very on Gmail. So you will bear with me. I need some time to log in, though not that much time. So we are right in. Okay, we are right in the system. Now we access the CR account first before beginning to trade using the bot. Well, okay, we have access to the CR account right there. As for now, I haven't loaded my forex account. As you can see, the balance is 0.00, but let's try the virtual account. Well, the virtual account. Well, the virtual account has around $2,603. Well, to start trading in the bot, there is another feature you need to see. The run the bot. That's where you go. So that you can run the bot. Remember, we first logged in on the Binary.com website. We logged in into my account, and then we proceeded to load the bot, and then we proceeded to log in again to access the CR account, whereby I accessed the virtual account. So let's start trading with the bot. Right. To trade with the bot, you run the bot right there. That's like the play button, the common play button, like you see in the audio players on your phone. Right there. Run the bot. The bot is starting. The board is starting. Now, the bot uses algorithms to select a number, like the last number, like the last digit on the trading level. You see right there, it selects a pattern of the last 3 digits, and if that digit corresponds with like the trading level the bot has chosen, then you lose. If it doesn't match, you get profits. So as you can see, the buying price, that's like the first stake. As we said, it was 1.06. So let's wait for the bot to select. Well, and if it doesn't select, you'll be forced to like close the bot and start running it again. But for now, let's wait. Let's wait. Well, I've tried this bot many a times before. Yeah. Well, if it takes longer, you may change like your trading market. Should we choose the synthetics? Let's choose the synthetics. Let's see. Seems like the USD Canadian dollar pair is currently very volatile. It's taking long for the bot to like get a match. Okay, let's see. Haven't processed yet. So we refresh the page. Let's refresh the page. Okay. Let's refresh. Let's refresh. So let's select the synthetics market indices. No, continuous indices. Well, and let's trade with the VTEL1S. Let's see how it behaves. Okay. There is always that freedom to like select what you feel is working at the moment based on your previous market structure analysis. You see, as a trader, you must be consistent, very consistent on market analysis, market structure analysis. You see, okay, right there we have one loss to count. As because based on the algorithmic nature of the bot, the last 3 digits selected for the trading level matched with the real-time market level at that time. That's why we had the first loss. So the second slot we got a 5.56 profit, USD profit. Yeah, right there. So as I said earlier, you always have the chance to choose another pair either on the synthetic indices market or on the forex market. Well, never settle for one pair, whether on the forex market or the synthetic indices pair. So as you can see, the bot is still running. Let's see at the winning rate. As per now, we have 3 winning rate and 1 loss rate. It is still running. I want us to get about 15 rounds or let's say 10 runs, yeah, 15 runs would be good to showcase what the bot is capable of doing. You see, right there, the monster bot. Well, remember to like and subscribe the Pipsologist YouTube channel right there. Right now, we have gotten another loss. That's another loss, but the bot always recovers. It always recovers right there. Remember to subscribe to the Pipsologist YouTube channel because I got more content like this coming up. See? Well, as for now, we have 5 wins, 4 losses overall. We have a loss of negative $132. So, but we managed to get a comeback with a 665 USD winning streak. Well, overall, as for the 10 runs, we have a profit of 53,000 Kenyan shillings. Well, that is 533.28 USD. As you can see, the bot has high winning rates and lower losing rates. I call it the monster bot. The monster bot. If you want this bot, you will have to comment on this video's comment section, and then I will share my WhatsApp number where I can send you the bot as a file document and at a fee. I charge around 50 USD for the bot. In Kenya, that's around 5,000 shillings. Yeah. Remember again to subscribe to this channel and hit the like button. See you tomorrow, guys, on another episode of how to use the binary.com platform to make profits. My name is the Pipsologist.